Hello everybody, this is Tulsi and that's Tony. So today we are going to attempt making a no-bake cheesecake. This is a recipe from Tony's, so let's get going. So Tony, can you please tell us what are we going to use for the cheesecake?
Yes, so here we have all the ingredients that we're going to be using, and we have them in two different groups. The ones that we're going to be using for the crust and the ones that we're going to be using for the filling itself. So for the crust, we have first normal crackers, some nut mix to give it a little bit of crunchiness, and butter to make everything cohesive. Then for the filling, it's cheesecake, so we need cheese. We're gonna have the Philadelphia cream cheese, the Turo cream cheese, and ricotta. I want to use like a mix of different type of cheeses. We have here some sour cream to give it a little bit of tanginess. And for the same purpose, we also have some citrics. So we're going to be using lemon juice and the zest of both the lemons and the orange. To give it some cohesion, we're going to add some grenadine and confectionery sugar. To give it a little bit of vanilla touch, we have some vanilla extract here. And of course some sugar to make it sweet. And lastly, we have some whipped cream here, which we're going to be mixing and adding in conjunction with the cream.
Okay, you ready to bake?
Ah, ready.
Oh no, it's no bake.
No bake, ready to mix.
Okay.
To make the base, I took some crackers in a bag and tried to crush them using a hammer. It was difficult to crush the crackers using a hammer, so I moved to a food processor. After that, I took my mixed nuts packet and I grinded them as well. Now mix the grinded nuts with the grinded crackers according to your preference of consistency. Now add 150 to 200 milliliter of melted butter and give it a very good mix. Now take your baking pan and add a baking sheet with some butter. This helps in proper disassembling of the cheesecake. Now take a generous portion of the cracker mix into the pan and take something circular and flat to give a gentle push to the mix. Now we start making the cheese base for the cheesecake. We take 250 grams of Turo cheese and empty it in the bowl. Then we add 125 grams of Philadelphia cheese. Then goes 250 grams of ricotta cheese. Now we add 175 grams of sour cream. Then add 100 grams of crystal sugar and take your electric beater and give all the cheese a very good mix. On the meantime, add 15 grams of confectionery sugar and lemon juice of 1 whole lemon. Now take 10 grams of gelatin powder, add some hot water, give it a good mix and add the gelatin to your bowl. After that, give another good mix with your electric beater. To make the whipped cream, we take 200 milliliter of whipping cream in a bowl and give it a very good mix with a beater. Then add the whipped cream into your prepared cheese mix and give it a very gentle mix with the cream. Take an orange and scrape its skin into the cream cheese mix. And now we do the same with the lemon. And now your cream cheese mix is all ready. Take your baking pan again and add all the cream cheese mix into the pan now. Now your cheesecake is all ready to be set. Take a plastic wrapper and wrap it up.
So the cheesecake is prepared and it's going to be in the freeze for next 12 hours. The cheesecake is going to condense. So after 12 hours you can remove the seal and you can add your toppings according to your preference. So this cheesecake is for the birthday of one of our friends. So Matt, if you're watching it, happy birthday to you. And we are going to show you the final outcome of the cake tomorrow when we take it to our friend's place. So till then, let the cheesecake chill in the refrigerator.
Oh.
When do I
Do it.
Super good. Good job, Tulsi and Tony.
Yeah, really good job.